Well, I'm continuing my report from Blue Spirit in Costa Rica, and I'm going over to the pool here. If you don't want to go to the ocean on the Pacific side, which I think it's great to go, you can come to the pool. It's a saltwater pool, and it's all about relaxing and reflecting. So today, my workshop is going to be on identifying the causes of health and how to cultivate longevity. In my work, the causes of health are inherited and longevity is culturally learned. So that's what I'll be talking about today. And it's tough work being in paradise, let me tell you. So I hope you stay tuned and I'll have more information for you. Look up Blue Spirit in Costa Rica. It's one of the blue zones where the centenarians live. And I come here on a yearly basis to do my work on longevity, of course. But meanwhile, enjoying. And by the way, longevity is something that needs to be learned early. The earlier you learn it, the longer your health span, which is what predicts really, really good longevity. So enjoy, and we'll talk soon.